So today in this video we have to solve for the x by using Lombard W functions. So for this, first of all transfer x that side. So what the result you have, 3 raised to x is equal to 30 minus x. Now divide both side by 3 raised to x. 3 raised to x upon 3 raised to x is equal to 30 minus x upon 3 raised to x. Divide both side by 3 raised to x. Now this side you get 1 and this side 3 minus 30 minus x. We know 1 upon a raised to m is equal to a minus m. By applying this, when you shift 3 raised to x as a numerator, you get this. Now both sides we multiply by 3 raised to 30. Before this, we can write the same equation such way. Next step, multiply 3 raised to 30. 30 minus x, 3 raised to minus x, 3 raised to 30 is equal to 1 raised to 3 raised to 30. 1 multiply 3 raised to 30. Multiply both sides 3 raised to 30. Now next step, we can write this value which is 3 and minus 3 raised to 30 and 3 raised to minus x can be written as a 3 raised to 30 minus x is equal to 3 raised to 30. Why we write this? We know a raised to m multiply a raised to n. In this condition, a raised to m plus n. When base are same, power added. Here 3 raised to minus x multiply 3 raised to 30. So base are same. We can write is 3 raised to minus x plus 30 or 3 raised to 30 minus x. Okay. I remove this portion. Now when we write it in such a way, so in the next step what we have, this 3 raised to 30 minus x, by using here exponential identity we know e raised to ln a. The value of this is what? A. So we can say 3, suppose that we may let it a as a 3, so e raised to ln 3 is equal to 3. Now put the value of this 3 is e raised to ln 3. How? Such a way, 30 minus x e raised to ln 3 whole raised 30 minus x is equal to 3 raised to 30. Okay, I make it clear. Next step, 30 minus x e raised to 30 minus x ln 3 is equal to 3 raised to 30. This is true. Okay. Now how this possible? We know a raised to m whole power n, so we can write it m raised to m multiply n. Using this identity we got it. Now next step, what we have this 30 minus x e raised to 30 minus x ln 3 is equal to 3 raised to 30. Multiply both sides by ln 3. 30 minus x ln 3 e raised to 30 minus x ln 3 is equal to 3 raised to 30 ln 3. Next step, after this, what we have? We now try to use Lambert W function. Lambert W function. W function. So what is Lambert W function? For this, we know W, which is Lambert W function, if given x e raised to x. So this value is what? X. Okay. So taking W 30 minus x ln 3 e raised to 30 minus x ln 3. Wait, I try to write it clearly. Again, W 30 minus x ln 3 e raised to 30 minus x ln 3 bracket close is equal to W 3 raised to 30 ln 3. Okay. Now as we know, W a e raised to a is equal to a. Okay. So let this 30 minus x as a. So when we write value in such a way, W 30 minus x e raised to 30 minus x ln 3 so we have Lambert function W in bracket a raised to a is equal to a. This is by using this, when you use this formula here, so you can see W 30 minus x ln 3 e raised to 30 minus x ln 3. W a raised to e raised to a is equal to a. It means this entire value, this complete value is what? A. So this is also a. So when this is a, so the result is what? A. It means what? We can write it 30 minus x ln 3, this side, and that side we have W 3 raised to 30 ln 3. W 3 raised to 30 ln 3. Okay. Now 30 minus x ln 3. This side is very important. In this side we have 3 raised to 30 ln 3. So W, and we can write it 3 raised to 3 ln 3 because we need to make value of the log and this power same, and 3 raised to 27. How? By using 3 raised to 30, we break the powers. 3 raised to 3 multiply 3 raised to 27. So this 3 raised to 3 ln 3 together and this 3 raised to 27 in other part. Now in next step, 3 minus x ln 3 is equal to w. 3 raised to 3 can be written 27 ln 3. This 3 again write in form of exponent. So this is what 3 raised to ln 3 whole power 27. A little bit study about this, that we use E ln a is equal to a. Okay, so 3 raised to 27, it means we just put the value of 3 as a e raised to ln 3. Now in the next step, 30 minus x ln 3 is equal to, you can see by applying again Lambert W functions, this entire value let as a, so you just write it 27 ln 3. Here ln 3 and ln 3 both sides cancel, we just get the rest value 3 minus x is equal to 27. Now x is what? 30 minus 27. X is equal to 3. So by using Lambert W function, we find the value of x equal to 3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more video.